Hello everyone, Jabanda here. In today's video I want to show you disk retainer lock. It will be ABUS Plus in ABUS 8850 padlock. ABUS Plus is a disk retainer lock which is consisting of 9 disks. On each disk there's a through gate and there also are false gates, as you can see. Here we have through gate and two false gates. On each disk we have one through gate and two false gates. What is interesting, relatively effective protection of this lock against picking is use of butterfly discs as the first and the last one disc. This disc has a different key notch than other discs. Okay. Than other discs, and automatically and when you try to tension from the disc first or from the last disc, so from the butterfly discs, it automatically enters the overset position and very effectively disturbs Hall feedback. I'm assuming we'll be tensioning from the front or rear disc. You can also tension from the zero discs, which can be any disc in your lock, but I will not describe this method now. I will be tensioning from the rear disc, and I will show you how this trick is work when during picking. Okay, I think it will be all from the internals. Here you can see the beading. Here are two zero cuts. This is number 4 and number 7. So okay, let's try to pick and we will see how it works. Okay, ABUS 8850. As you can see, now it's locked. Oops, sorry. Now I'm gonna turn all discs clockwise, max clockwise, and we will try to pick. I will be tensioning from the rear disc, and every time my pick is on the zero disc, I have 2 as 4 and 7. The tensioning for that moment is taken over by the pick, and I slightly move the last butterfly disc back so the sidebar can fall into the through gate and thus improve feedback. Okay. disk. First butterfly disk we have interrogate. Now disk number 2. Okay, probably is on the gate. Disk number 3 now is on the gate, I think. And disk number 4 is the 0 disk. Now I will tension from that disk and okay. Now disk number 5. Okay, and number 6. Okay, disk number 7 is the 0 disk. Okay, and we have open. So that was quick. So let's rearrange and let's get this lock. In fact, that was the fastest pick on this lock in mine practice. Okay. Okay, here we have spinner, first butterfly. Okay, maybe I will okay. Here we have sidebar, first butterfly disc. last one, butterfly disc. So that will be all, my friends. That was really quick. ABUS 8850 with ABUS plus core inside, pick it and got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.